For exercise 4 in chapter 2, I'm really going to utilize the automatic constraining process a lot throughout the course of this, but I do want to start, again, pretty much the same way that I've started everything else, and that's just by drawing a couple of lines for reference. So now I can dimension this line here at 80, not 180, and I can dimension this line here at 10. Now 10 is kind of a key because there's a lot of lines on here that are 10 millimeters long. So I want to keep that in mind as I go through here and draw the rest of this shape. So I'm going to go back to line. This line segment right here is supposed to be 15, so it's going to be different from this one. So I want to make sure that it's not set to equal. This next segment is going to be 30, so it's not equal to either of those. And then as I move out, I get my L there, I get my L there, and then as I come across here, I should be able to get the same length measurement as the bottom. I come down here and I get my L there. I come in here and I get my L for the internal piece. And as I come down, I get the L lined up for this, and then lined up with this one, and then closed off. Now, what that does is because everything there was set to be equal, and I already had these two dimensions in, that means that I only need 2 dimensions to finish this object. So I can double click this one and make it 15, and I can double click this one and make it 30. So there's the outside shape that I'm dealing with. The only thing else I have left to do is draw a rectangle in the middle, and then dimension my rectangle. So this is going to be 30. The height of the rectangle is going to be 20. And it is 10 off of this side and 15 off of the bottom. So normal dimension from here to here is 15. So by utilizing the automatic constraining process, I was able to go through and do this one pretty quickly without having to do a whole lot of extra dimensioning. So at this point I can save this one and it's ready to go.